MG TF there. Cofton Longbridge 2018 as well. Well, we'll do those West Midlands. But haven't seen any merchandise as yet this year. That's not an original colour. So the car down here. So we got a James Bond Rover, sorry, MG ZR. So heavily customization here. The old here we've got. Elevating doors, etc. there. MG ZR. Mini here. MGF. Another MGF 1800. Lovely Mini there. Now, I won't say something about something different, which we will find cars are more rare at some of these events. Come a long way with some of them as well. Rover 75 here as well, 54. We've also got an Austin Ambassador 2 litre HL there. Illustration. There we are. Of course, this was the successor to the Austin Princess, which was a very futuristic car really in terms of the technology in it. And well, it was said to be a bit more up to date, a bit more 80s, and of course a few more features. Anything else? Another Rover 400 there. Austin Ambassador there. There's people come here. MG Midget there. Bit of camaraderie here. People sometimes don't get a chance to meet very often, so this is held once a year normally in Cofton Park, which is right opposite me here. Fortunately, it's said to be too wet. Same thing happened 2 years ago. Meanwhile, seeing what other cars are around here.